Assalamualaikum and a very good morning. For the introduction, Search and Rescue (SAR) refers to organised operation aimed at locating and assisting individuals who are in distress or imminent danger. This operation can take place in various environments, including wilderness, urban areas, and maritime settings. The key definition: search, an operation coordinated by a Rescue Coordination Center (RCC) to locate individual in distress using available resource. Rescue, the act of retrieving individual in distress, addressing their immediate medical needs, and transporting them to safety.
So now, I will explain about the EMSA organization. The Malaysian Search and Rescue EMSA organizations operates under the authority of the Malaysian Maritime Enforcement Agency (MMEA). At the highest level, the Chief Director of MMEA is responsible for overseeing all search and rescue operations nationwide. These operations are coordinated through two primary command centers, the Maritime Rescue Coordination Center (MRCC) based in Putrajaya and the Malaysian Aeronautical Rescue Coordination Center (MYMCC). Both centers are tasked with planning, coordinating and monitoring SAR activities across Malaysia's water and airspace. To ensure effective on-ground operations, several Maritime Rescue Sub-Center (MRSCs) are established across different regions. For the first one, MRSC Langkawi covers the northern region, including the waters of Kedah, Perlis and northern Perak. Second, MRSC Johor Bahru is responsible for the southern region, especially along the coastline of Johor and southern Malacca. For the third one is MRSC Kuantan, oversees the Eastern Peninsula region, covering the maritime areas of Pahang, Terengganu and parts of Kelantan. For the fourth one is MRSC Kuching, covers the Western Sarawak water, extending along the coastline from Kuching to Bintulu. And the last one is MRSC Kota Kinabalu is in charge of the entire state of Sabah, including the waters of Lubnan and the South China Sea near East Malaysia. These MRSCs coordinate closely with various SAR agencies including the Malaysia Marine Department, Royal Malaysia Police PDRM, Royal Malaysian Navy TLDM, Royal Malaysian Air Force TUDM, Royal Malaysian Custom, Fire and Rescue Department Bomber, Civil Defence Force APM and other relevant organisations. This integrated structure ensures a comprehensive and swift response to maritime and aeronautical emergencies across Malaysia territories.
Okay, now I will explain about the Maritime Search and Rescue Region, MSRR. So, Malaysia Maritime Authority is carrying out its function and responsibility as the coordinator of Cari Lambat operation, has gone through various challenges in its effort to meet the need to respond to emergency that occur in the gazetted water of the country responsibility. This is because the area of responsibility of Malaysian Maritime Authority Cari Lambat (MSRR) is extensive, covering the west coast of Peninsular Malaysia from the Straits of Malacca to the Andaman Sea within a distance of 400 nautical miles, on the east side of Peninsular Malaysia from the coast to the Exclusive Economic Zone (South China Sea), and on the coast of Sabah, Sarawak within a distance of 280 nautical miles to the Sulu Sea.
Now we will talk about SAR team and also their tasks and responsibilities. SAR team has 7 teams consisting of patrol boat crew, helicopter SAR unit, rescue diver team, medical or first aid team, mission planning team, communication and coordination unit, and lastly, support area enforcement team. The patrol boat crew is responsible for surface level search and recovery. Their task is to locate victims, assist them, and bring them on board safely. These crews are often the first responder on the scene. The helicopter SAR unit conducts aerial searches and performs winch rescues from the CR vessels. They are especially useful in the rough sea conditions or when access is limited from the surface. Next is the rescue diver team. The rescue diver team specializes in underwater search and recovery. They dive to retrieve submerged victims or important objects such as wreckage or cargo. Next, the medical or first aid team provides emergency medical care on site. They assist victims, perform CPR, treat conditions like hypothermia, and stabilize them for hospital transport. The mission planning team. This team is behind the scenes. They design search zones and deploy teams based on information such as weather, current, and last known position. They also manage logistics and daily reporting throughout the operation. Next, the communication and coordination units is crucial for ensuring effective real-time communication. They use tools like radio radar and AIS system to link the field teams with MRSC and MRCC for updates and instructions. Lastly is the support and enforcement team. They secure the area around the SAR operation. They control sea traffic, prevent outside interference, and assist with overall safety during the rescue process.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Atira binti Muhammad Amin with matric number S71339. I will present about Malaysian SAR system. Agency involved in the Malaysian SAR system is first, Malaysian Maritime Enforcement Agency or MMEA that lead maritime SAR or search and rescue. Second is Royal Malaysian Air Force RMAF. Third is Royal Malaysian Navy RMN. Fourth is Royal Malaysian Police PDRM. Five is Department of Civil Aviation DCA. Six is Malaysian Fire and Rescue Department Bomber. 7 is Malaysian Civil Defence Force, and 8 is Civil Aviation Authority of Malaysia or CAAM. Search and Rescue Region SRR for Malaysian SAR system is defined under ICAO International Civil Aviation Organisation and IMO International Maritime Organisation. Malaysia is responsible for a large area over the South China Sea, Strait of Malacca and airspace over the peninsula and Sabah or Sarawak. Coordination Center for Rescue Coordination Center RCC is RCC KLIA or Kuala Lumpur International Airport for Aviation Incident, and RCC Putrajaya or Maritime Air RCC or Maritime Incident. The center coordinates search effort aircraft, ships, drones and others. SAR capabilities is first, helicopter or AWA-39, patrol vessel, example KM series, high-speed intercept boats, drones, rescue swimmer and medical responder, and equipment that be used is with radar, sonar, AIS, and night vision system for search and tracking for SAR system.
In conclusion, onboard enforcement operation combined with search and rescue SAR efforts are critical for ensuring maritime safety, compliance with laws, and protecting lives at sea. By following a structured process from planning and vessel approach to inspection, SAR assistance, and post-operation, review authorities can effectively balance enforcement with humanitarian responsibilities. This operation demonstrates the importance of collaboration, preparedness, and adherence to safety protocols to achieve successful outcome while upholding maritime security and the safety of seafarers and passengers.